Alright then, so I'm going to be making a video of this circuit that I'm designing for my GCSE diploma project at school. It's an intruder alarm. Consists of 3 microchips, 1, 2, 3, keypad circuit, main alarm circuit and tamper circuit. It has LCD screen option and all the usual outputs, so you've got auxiliary power for devices, there'll be for bell box and relays, and then that's a loudspeaker. These are the inputs here. As you can see, we've got circuit 1, circuit 2, circuit 3, circuit 4, circuit 5, circuit 6, don't be stupid, and anti-tamper loop. So 6-zone panel. I'll just show you the flowcharts quickly. That's one flowchart, that's another flowchart. Back to the circuit diagram then. If we just position it all right, okay then. So we're going to start it. Just hide the simulation window. System is open. As you can see, it shows a little padlock to say that it's open, which is quite a nice little feature. So, default code that I've programmed so far is 2121. So, and as you can see, it came with the end. Right. Now, hash is no, so we're just going to scroll through the menu, as you can see. Set system, test outputs. It's going a bit quicker than usual for some reason. Don't know what's up with it. And star means yes, so yeah, we're going to set the system. Now it's preparing to set. And now it's setting, and then that's the tone. I'm just going to mute the tone because otherwise we'll be here forever, because it slows down the connection rapidly. As you can probably tell, it's all crashed now, so let's mute that. Yeah, it counts down in 5s as well. I will change it so that it counts down in seconds soon, but for now, 5s is fine. Time 0. And it should now change to say system set. But for some reason it's not. So I'm going to have a look at that. It's been stupidly slow today. This is the 3rd time I've tried to make this video. That's how stupid this network's been today. Go on, accept the last number, you cunt. Code accepted, system open, there we go. Happy days. I'll make a more in-depth video when I'm finally finished and when the network stops being an arse, but that just shows you for now. Nothing special yet, but it will be soon.